Hey guys, back in the workshop. Just what we're doing today is the Speedo cable is, as we know, is the wrong size. So what I've done, I've got the old Speedo cable. I've taken the end off, this one, and I'm now going to take that one off and put that onto there. I'm not worried about the fact that it is 80 rather than 60 inches long, because the ends that go on to the Speedo cable are exactly the same, etc, etc. There's no way I can shorten down this cable, because obviously these are very hard pressed, you know, under immense pressure, and there's no way I can replicate that because it's squared off at both ends. So yes, that's what we're doing at the moment. We're just changing the ends on the cable, saves me having to buy another one. But what I'm doing at the moment is I've just put this end on a screwdriver, which fits in lovely, just to try and take out these pressured kinks, obviously, that holds it to the cable, because that way then I can start afresh again. Yeah, so I've just been doing that and tapping them out with a hammer. That's coming out all right, actually. Coolio, sorted. There you go, that fits on there lovely. Just like that, one-handed. It fits on the new one, lovely. There you go. Right, there you go, all done. Lovely. That's that sorted. It's got that on the end. That's in there at the right. Push that in a bit. There you go. That's at the right height, because that can't go down any further. And then that's got a nice little bit sticking out the end, as it should do. Sorted. So that saves about 50 quid. That's something I haven't got to pay out for. That's good. Just for a bit of make do amend. How about that? Got to be done. Sorted, George. Lovely. Right guys, what I'm also doing here is just putting new bulbs in my side markers. Now, just for those of you that don't know, because to be fair, I didn't, and as you can see, I've just destroyed one, so I've got to repair that. One of these side markers come apart, that does not pull out. Ask me how I know. This part here unscrews from this part, but because mine was so stiff and thick with crud and whatever else, I didn't know that. And it's been a long time since I've, well, got to be 12 years since I done anything like this with these. Yeah, so that unscrews from there. Hence you can get your glass out then, and you can get your bulb out. So I hope this little bit helps somebody out, that you don't end up destroying it like I do. Yeah, there's the other tail over there, so I've just got to fix that now somehow. But yeah, that does not pull out of there. You have to unscrew this from the body. Basically, that one screws on there and holds that to the car. So unscrew that from the car. You've got a tooth here that sits in the wing so that it lines up, because this one's a flat face, but some of them are actually on an angle, because you've got obviously like a swage mark in the wing, but this one's a flat one, as you can see. Yeah, and then that just unscrews, and then you can get to your bulb that way. So I hope this helps somebody out, and you don't have to learn the hard way like I did. So, sorted, George. Right, also what I've just done as well, I've got some of this neon paint that I used for my needles on the dash. It's not as thick as paint. It tends to go out a little bit on the thinner side. So what I've done, I've just gone on the inside of the glass of the side markers, and you can see, rather than, because they were virtually see-through, you can see the ring around the outside of the original orange, and then obviously on the inside is what the paint has covered, but they were white, they were see-through, so at least that's brought them back anyway, so that's good. Sorted, George.